Today we are going to look at a compact, rugged, and highly adaptive power solution designed for everyday use. This is the Xion Tactical EDC Modular Power Bank. If you think this is just some normal power bank, then wait. This is a modular power bank that lets you swap batteries in seconds and helps you stay charged up all the time. So what other things does this power bank have, and what are its features and functionalities? Let's find it out by knowing the top 10 things about this gadget. Number 1. The biggest highlight of this power bank is its modular battery system. Here, you don't have to frequently recharge your power bank. To recharge the entire power bank, you simply have to replace the battery cells. Simply pop one out and replace it with a fresh one. This way, you always have power backup ready with you all the time. Number 2. Another interesting thing about it is the one-hand tactical quick reload system. Here, you can swap batteries with just one hand. This way, you can reload batteries and prevent any downtime when you are shooting a video or working outdoors. Number 3. It works with a variety of batteries along with an adapter, which gives you complete flexibility and allows you to use already available batteries. Number 4. Here, instead of a screen, you get a simple power indicator light, which you can refer to know how much power is left. This helps you quickly check the remaining power and avoid battery drain. Number 5. With the help of a 30W USB-C output, you can charge your phone, cameras, and even other USB-C-enabled smart devices at a reliable speed. This is great for people who need fast top-ups on the go. Number 6. The power bank is made from a mix of ABS and aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, which makes it strong while keeping the weight low. Plus, the design can easily handle everyday use and outdoor conditions. This makes it a reliable travel power backup option. Number 7. The device is waterproof and moisture-resistant, and it can withstand strong water jets from any direction. External factors such as rain, splashes, or wet environments are not going to slow it down. Number 8. The entire unit itself weighs only 37 g, and the full setup is about 105 g+. It is just 8.5 centimeters long, which makes it super portable, and you can easily slide it in your pocket or clip it to any of your existing gear. Number 9. The device comes with tactical keychain attachments, which you can use with carabiners, EDC clips, and backpack straps. Number 10. You can expand its capacity by adding more batteries. If you add 2 batteries, you can get 10,000 mAh of power, and with 4 batteries, you can have 20,000 mAh of power. The more modules you add, the more power you get. With that, we talked about 10 different things this compact modular power bank offers. If you enjoyed this overview, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think of modular power banks in the comments.